Hello everyone, my name is Mallory. As you begin to transition from CPA Canada preparation courses, also known as PREP, to the professional education program referred to as PEP, you may be curious on the differences between these two programs. Today I will be walking you through a breakdown of both programs and what you can expect as you embark on this next phase of your CPA journey. PREP courses are fundamentally based on providing specific subject coverage to those with non-undergraduate and non-accounting degrees. Since the program requires 30 credit hours or 10 courses, there is much more technical breadth. The courses contain core and non-core components designed to give you exposure to various subjects included in an accounting degree. Non-core courses are offered on a self-study basis and do not have a specific start or end dates, so they can be taken at any point during the year. These courses may include Introduction to Financial Accounting, Economics, Stats, and Law. All core courses are delivered in a standardized format with instructional weeks leading up to an exam. These include topics more in line with what you'll see in PEP. PEP is designed to dive deeper into technical topics, so it focuses on more depth. There are 6 PEP modules, and you'll start with Core 1. Core 1 and Core 2 are both mandatory and focus on the development of competencies in management and financial accounting in 6 core technical areas. From this, you can then select 2 out of the 4 elective modules, which are tax, assurance, performance management, and finance. It is recommended that throughout PREP and Core 1 and Core 2, you consider your strengths and weaknesses when selecting your electives, and to take into consideration any areas of career interest. For example, if you work in external or internal audit, you may choose to do assurance since many topics are already familiar to you. Once you finish these modules, you take Capstone 1, Capstone 2, and then the common final exam known as the CFE. PEP is designed to lead you into the CFE with no breaks between any of the exams. Both PREP and PEP use the online D2L platform to provide you study materials, assignments, and to connect you with peers and facilitators. Just like PREP, PEP offers 8-week course structures of approximately 20 hours per week of studying. PEP also now offers an extended course which lasts 20 weeks instead of the 8. Your study habits and time management for submitting assignments in PREP would have effectively prepared you for PEP courses. During PREP, each course is focused on one topic entirely. However, in PEP, several technical topics are tested in one module, requiring you to identify and analyze several issues together. For example, the Core 1 module tests on financial reporting, audit, tax, and finance all at the same time. PREP is not centered around case writing and instead focuses on understanding correct calculations and the treatment of accounts. Unlike PREP, PEP focuses on case writing techniques, including how to format responses using the CPA way. You will be provided case scenarios where you will be required to identify the issue in a practice setting and provide an analysis. This analysis will involve judgment and interpretation of the CPA handbook to provide your final recommendations. PEP also focuses on the company's strategies, overarching issues, and common themes throughout the case. Ultimately, writing case-based exams will be your biggest challenge in PEP. Here is an example of the type of cases you can expect to receive. You can see that there is a suggested time provided for the case, which is in your best interest to stick to when practicing under exam constraints. You will be provided with a company, background information on the company's history, their mission and vision, and their structure. In this case, you are provided with the accounting framework, but in some cases you may have to determine this yourself. You are also provided a date, which will be important for some assessment opportunities that are time factored for calculations or deadlines. You are provided a year-end date as well as a role in which you will be assessing the case for. Overall, the key to case writing will be lots of practice and exposure, and repeatedly debriefing your cases. To successfully pass PREP, you're required to have a 65% cumulative average, with 60% for all core courses and 50% for non-core courses. However, PEP requires the 75% average, and this is just to get to the exam. The threshold is based on practice cases and integrated problems, which are part of your weekly assignments. Both PREP and PEP have final examinations. However, the PEP module exams are based on average performance. PEP also has mandatory module workshops, which occur once at the start of each module. At the start of Core 1, you'll be granted access to the Professional Experience Reporting Tool, which is one of the requirements to graduate from the CPA program. PREP has 5 semesters per year, while PEP only has 4. PEP classifies their semesters on seasons such as winter, spring, summer, and fall. Not all PEP modules will be offered each semester, so more planning and coordination will be required to achieve your target CFE date. Module calendars are posted a year in advance for both PREP and PEP, so you have plenty of time to plan. As you can see from the sample core PEP schedule on screen, it outlines the semester, the module end and start dates, the workshop dates, and your examination dates. Overall, PREP is a great foundation for technical issues, time management, and self-management with studying. PEP is geared more towards refining your technical and real-world case scenarios and developing your communication skills through written analysis and recommendations. As with PREP, CPA Canada's PEP will offer several resources to assist you in your success during the modules. And with that, you're ready to begin your transition from PREP to PEP, and you're that much closer to getting your CPA.